What if I told you this tiny part could change the entire sound of your speaker?
Hi, and welcome to my channel. Before you continue watching, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Your feedback helps us create better videos. This part here is called a Whizzer Comb. It's designed to produce high frequencies that complement the main driver's response. In other words, it helps to fill in the gaps where the main cone can't quite reach, especially in full-range drivers that aim to cover the entire audible spectrum.
But what happens if we remove the main cone and leave only the whizzer? It's important to note that whizzer cones on their own produce relatively weak sound. Their real effect comes from adding their output to that of the main cone. When both are in phase, their responses combine, extending the frequency range and improving clarity. We'll take a look at measurements for both the main cone and the whizzer to see how this interaction works. First, let's look at the response of the main cone. As you can see, the sound pressure level is around 90 decibels. In this schematic, the whizzer is shown in gray, which means it's currently deactivated. Now let's add the default whizzer to the cone. As shown here, the whizzer extends the high-frequency response, but the overall sound pressure level drops by about 6 decibels. But honestly, I don't think a 2-gram whizzer would cause such a reduction in real-world use. If you're planning to add a whizzer to your driver, keep in mind that a heavier whizzer can reduce the SPL. It's also interesting to examine the whizzer's response separately. As you can see, it's effective mainly between 8 and 20 kHz. Since the simulation models the whizzer without a surround, the SPL is lower than what you'd expect in a real-world setup, but the general behavior is still clearly visible. However, due to the SPL drop, we can try using a lighter whizzer. After switching to a lighter whizzer, the drop in sound pressure was partially compensated. I should mention again that in reality, this lighter whizzer wouldn't noticeably affect the sound pressure level. Only a heavier material can cause a significant drop in SPL. Thanks for watching.